I think that I'm one of those lucky people that actually managed to turn the hobby into their work. So I love being out here, and I love the way that every day something new is changing here, every day. I grew up in northern Israel. I'm a bird nerd, a bird watcher for the last 45 years or so. I'm 26. The best thing is that, I'll tell you this, I drive roughly 150 miles a day just to get here and back. When I get here, it's the sun rising over the Golan Heights, and early in the morning in the summer, it's all the nesting birds starting to sing, and in the winter it's the cranes. So first of all, welcome to the Agmon Chula Botanical Gardens. What we do is called bird ringing in the European Union and bird banding in the States. We catch small, mostly passerine songbirds, but not just. This tiny warbler is a long-distance migrant. Some of them will arrive from Siberia. And not like my marriage, this will last forever. I'm checking the fat measures on this bird. I think I was 4 or 5 years old the first time that I was given a bird to release. So education is not just talking, it's the whole experience. That point, when you release an animal back to the wild, the moment you do that, there's a bit of connection, something that will stay with you.